The other thing that's highly important at the moment, given the theme of this Leaf Open Farm Sunday is climate change, is greenhouse gas emissions, and in particular methane from cows. So we've also been doing a number of studies that help us look at methane from cows and optimizing things like their diet to try and reduce methane coming out of the cows. And measuring methane from cows is quite interesting. We can do a few different techniques. We could have cows in a barn like this, and we could maybe give them a halter to wear with a device that will measure the methane as it comes out of their nostrils. We can have something called a green feed, and that's a little feed stall that the cows go into to get a very little bit of concentrate feed a few times a day, and as they are in there, they're breathing in and out, and we can measure the breathing, the methane coming out of their breath and out of their burps. So the thing to remember with cows and methane is it's the burps that contain most of the methane. Less of it is coming out of the back end. Most of it is what's coming out of the front end that we're interested in. And finally, in a facility just over the other side of the farm, we can also use some special stalls that have been designed for the cows, and the cows go in there, and it's a sealed box that they're in for a few days, and the cows will go in there, and we can measure everything that comes in and out of that environment. So it's a sealed chamber, and we can measure all the gases that are coming and going from there. So we've got ways in which we can start to look at that, and we've got a number of different interesting feeds and feed products that are coming to the market now that could helpfully reduce methane emissions.